Subscribe Akash Technical and press the bell icon to get the new videos instantly. Friends, all welcome to my channel Akash Technical. So let's start. Today I will show you how can you import a music application which are used in the high-range phone of Samsung. You will get that in your mid-range phones like J2 Pro and J26 or any other phone which are running on Marshmallow. So first of all, you have to download the application which I had given in the description of the video. After that, you have to install it. After installing the application, you will get this type of file which is like music in blue color. After that, you will tap in. You will get this type of preview of music where there is playlist, tracks, folders and composers, where there are many settings. You can go on more and tap to settings. Here you will get various type of settings like play speed, music auto off. Here you will get auto music off. You can set timer to auto off the music. These are kinds of features you will get this in this player. And the main thing is that it is not online player. You will play the songs which are in your SD card or device storage. From that you can play it here. So subscribe my channel, like my video and share this video, and please comment down below if you face any download issues. So okay, bye.
Yeah.